In the heart of industrial might, a silent challenge looms large: the safe dismantling of obsolete giants.
Decades of neglect have left this critical infrastructure vulnerable. This unit is...
Each transformer holds tens of thousands of pounds of toxic insulating oils, a legacy of a bygone era.
We're now moving to stage 3, the careful extraction of the copper windings. This ensures maximum...
Each one represents a potential environmental hazard, demanding meticulous care and unwavering dedication. The outer shell, a protective skin, must be breached to access the heart of the machine.
The true danger lies within. Thousands of gallons of insulating oil, often laden with PCBs.
Draining transformer oil requires meticulous oversight due to the presence of harmful PCBs. Every step must be logged and monitored closely.
PCBs, or polychlorinated biphenyls, are persistent organic pollutants, banned for decades but still present.
The secure containment of the toxic oil is paramount. Once the final seal is applied, this tank ensures environmental safety for decades.
Beyond the oil, the transformer's core holds a complex array of components, each requiring careful extraction.
The sheer scale of the copper coil assembly necessitates the use of the facility's largest overhead crane.
Bring it down easy, just a few more inches. Easy now.
Copy that, coming down slow.
All right, hold it right there. Stop.
Every step is a battle against legacy pollution, ensuring these toxins never harm our environment.
The scale of the remaining transformers presents a daunting task, but the team is preparing the specialized equipment needed for the cleanup.
Proper documentation and stringent regulations govern every journey of this hazardous cargo.
This coordinated effort ensures the safe transfer of the hazardous materials, adhering strictly to protocol from the With the toxins contained, the remaining structure can now be safely recycled.
Here we see the massive transformer shell being prepared for recycling. Workers oversee the cutting process, utilizing
Even the steel, once contaminated, is given a new life after rigorous cleaning and processing.
From hazardous waste to reusable resource, every piece contributes to a sustainable future.
The final cleaning of the transformer pad marks the completion of a major phase, underscoring our commitment to environmental responsibility.
The day shift fades, leaving behind the quiet hum of progress. These empty pads await
Each piece of gear, a silent witness to the daily battle for environmental protection.
Now securely loaded, the waste begins its long trek from the containment facility to its final resting place. The challenge is immense, but the commitment to a cleaner future remains unwavering.
The preliminary assessment of the T4 unit is critical before we begin decommissioning.
We need to check the baseline readings right here before proceeding.
This section is hotter than expected.
We stick to the original plan, but double check the seal here.
All right, understood.
Safety is paramount, the first and last thought in every action within these walls.
This massive transformer represents a significant environmental challenge. The team initiates the first cut with the plasma.
Piece by piece, these titans are tamed, their harmful contents brought under control. Day after day, the cycle of dismantling and containment continues, a vital undertaking for global health.
Entrance. The successful decommissioning of this facility represents a major step forward for the local environment.
This relentless effort, unseen by many, is the front line in protecting our shared future.
Every dismantled transformer, every pound of waste safely contained, is a crucial step towards a healthier planet for us all.